Hard work doesn't have to be hard. With the Michelin TWEEL Airless Radial tire, things run a lot smoother. Starting with the ride itself, get outstanding operator comfort and put less stress on your machine without the usual bounce from pneumatic tires. Their deep, open tread gives you excellent traction and stability on any terrain. Just bolt and go. And go. Because the Michelin TWEEL Airless Radial tire lasts 2 to 3 times longer than pneumatic tires and never goes flat. Airless, retreadable, and longer lasting, the Michelin TWEEL Airless Radial tire can improve productivity on any job site. Find the right TWEEL for your skid steer at tweel.michelinman.com.